Hey everyone, welcome to DigiTech Dynamo. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to display custom text on a 16x2 LCD using an Arduino. It's a simple and fun project perfect for beginners. Let's jump right in. For this project, we need a few basic components. An Arduino, I'm using the Uno, a 16x2 LCD screen, a 10K potentiometer to control the screen contrast, some jumper wires, and a breadboard for easy connections. First, let's connect the LCD to the Arduino. We'll use digital pins 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 on the Arduino to control the LCD. The potentiometer helps adjust the contrast of the screen. Make sure your wiring matches the pin numbers in the code. Now let's move to the code. We'll be using the LiquidCrystal library to manage the display. Include LiquidCrystal.h. Then we set up the LCD by telling the Arduino which pins we're using. LiquidCrystal LCD 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the setup function, we initialize the LCD with 16 columns and 2 rows, and then we print our first message: lcd.begin 16, lcd.setCursor 00, lcd.print DigiTech Dynamo. Next, we move to the second line of the display and print Hello World. lcd.setCursor 01, lcd.print Hello World. Once your code is ready, upload it to the Arduino. You should now see DigiTech Dynamo on the first row and Hello World on the second row of your LCD. That's it for this simple project. Now you know how to print custom text on an LCD screen with Arduino. This is just the beginning. You can customize it further for any project. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tutorials from DigiTech Dynamo.